લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે મેથેમેટિકલ ઇન્ડક્શન એનો ટાઈપ 3 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 4 રૂલ ઓફ સિગ્મા. ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ, સિગ્મા આઈ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1 20 4i. આપણે એનો સમ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો. સૌથી પહેલા સિગ્મા આઈ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1 એટલે કે 1 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરી અને n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 20 સુધીનો સમ કરવાનો છે. કોનો? તો કે 4i નો. સો n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 20, 1 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરી અને 4i સુધી. સિગ્મા 4i. So sigma 4 આગળ આવી જશે, સિગ્મા લાગુ પડશે i, સિગ્મા i. So 4 sigma i, that is sigma n plus 1 divided by 2. n is equal to given 20 plus 1 divided by 2. 20 multiplied by 2 40, 21 multiplied by 40, that is 840. This is your first answer. Next, example number 2. Sigma I is equal to 7 I square plus 2i square plus 2. I is equal to 7, n is equal to 17. Sigma I square plus 2 sigma 2i plus 2. Sigma अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करशो, sigma I square plus 2 sigma I plus 2n. Now આપણે સમ જોઈએ છે 7 થી લઈ અને 17 સુધી. ઓકે, સિગ્મા આઈ સ્ક્વેર n પ્લસ 1 2n પ્લસ 1 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 6. સિગ્મા આઈ n પ્લસ 1 2 આગળ મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 2 પ્લસ 2n. 2 કેન્સલ. ટેક n common, remaining n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus n common નીકળી ગયો એટલે સોરી n plus 1 plus n 2n માંથી n common નીકળી ગયા એટલે 2. So n 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus n plus 1 plus 2. So n 2n square plus 3n plus 1 divided by 6 plus n plus 3. So n 2n square plus 3n plus 1 6 LCM लेसो, 6 multiplied by n plus 3 divided by 6. n 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus 6n plus 18 divided by 6. n 2n square 3 plus 6 9n plus 19 divided by 6. આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે સિગ્મા I is equal to 7 to n is equal to 17. I square plus 2i plus 2. સો પહેલાં આપણે શું કરશું, n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1 થી લઈ અને n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 17 સુધીનું ફાઇન્ડ કરશું, પછી n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 6 સુધીનું ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. એટલે કે સિગ્મા i ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1, n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 17 માઇનસ સિગ્મા i ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 7, i ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1, n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 6. સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે મૂકશું પુટ n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 17. So 17, 2 multiplied by 17 square, 9 multiplied by 17 plus 19 divided by 6. 17 no square, 289 multiplied by 2, 578 plus 9 multiplied by 17, that is 153 plus 90 divided by 6. 7. 578 plus 153 plus 19 divided by 6 is equal to 125 multiplied by 17. 2125. Now put n is equal to 6. 6, 2 multiplied by 6 square plus 9 multiplied by 6 plus 90 divided by 6. 6 cancel. 2 multiplied by 36, 9 multiplied by 6, 54 plus 90. 72 plus 54 plus 90. 145. So 2125 minus 145, that is 1980. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. I is equal to 1, n is equal to 10, 5i minus 1 whole square. So n is equal to 10, I is equal to 1. Sigma 5i minus 1 whole square. સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે ફેક્ટર્સ કરશે. 5i minus 1 whole square એટલે કે 25i square minus 5 multiplied by 2 10i plus 1 no square 1. Now sigma અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. 25 multiplied by I square, sigma I square, 10 multiplied by sigma I, 1 multiplied by sigma, that is n. So I square, sigma I square, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma I, n plus 1 by 2 plus n. Take n common, divided by 2 common. So 25 n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 6 માંથી 2 common નીકળી ગયા એટલે 3 minus 10 n common નીકળી ગયા n plus 1 plus n માંથી n common નીકળી ગયા એટલે 1. So n by 2, 25 n multiplied by 2n, 2n square n multiplied by 1 n, 1 multiplied by 2n, 2n, 1 multiplied by 1 1 divided by 3 minus 10n multiplied by 10 plus 1 n by 2. 25 અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. સો પહેલાં સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરી નાખીએ. 2n સ્ક્વેર n પ્લસ 2n, 3n plus 1 divided by 3. 10n, 10 plus 1, 11. 10n plus 11. n by 2. 25 under multiply thase. 25 multiplied by 2, that is 50n square. 20y multiplied by 3, that is 75n plus 25 divided by 3 minus 10n plus 11 n by 2 50n square 75n 25 minus 3 LCM लेसो 3 multiplied by 10n plus 11 all divided by n by 2 50n square plus 75n plus 25 minus 30n minus 33 divided by 3 n by 2 50n square 75 plus 30 105 plus 25 minus 33 so 33 minus 25 minus 8 divided by 3. So n 50n square plus 105n minus 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 6. Now put n is equal to 10. So 10 50 multiplied by 10 square 105 multiplied by 10 minus 8 divided by 6. 10 50 multiplied by 10 no square 100 105 multiplied by 10 1050 minus 8 divided by 6. 50 multiplied by 100 5000 1050 minus 8 divided by 6. So 5000 plus 1050 minus 8 multiplied 6042 divided by 6 1007 10 multiplied by 1007. So 1007 multiplied by 10 like a 1070. This is your answer. Next example number 4. Sigma 1 sigma I is equal to 1 to n is equal to 10. So I is equal to 1 n is equal to 10. I multiplied by 1 I plus 1 I plus 2. Sigma I plus 1 I plus 2. Sigma I બે બ્રેકેટ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું I multiplied by I square I multiplied by 2 2i I multiplied by 1 I 2 multiplied by 1 2 sigma I square plus 3i plus 2 I અંદર multiply થશે I multiplied by I square that is I cube I multiplied by I 3i square 2i sigma અંદર multiply થશે sigma I cube 3 sigma I square 2 sigma I sigma I cube n plus 1 so n square n plus 1 square divided by 4 3 sigma I square n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6 2 n plus 1 by 2 2 cancel 3 2s are take n plus 1 as a common n plus 1 is common remaining n plus 1 divided by 4 plus n plus 1 common निकल गया 2n plus 2 by 2 2n n plus 1 2n plus 1 this is 1 not 2 plus n plus 1 कॉमन निकल गया, रिमेनिंग 1, n plus 1, take 4 as a LCM, n square plus n, 2 multiplied by 2n plus 1, 2 multiplied by 1, n plus 1, n square plus n, 4n plus 2 divided by 4, n plus 1, n square plus 5n plus 4 divided by 4. Put n is equal to 10 because here n is equal to given 10. So 10 plus 1, 10 square plus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 4 divided by 4. 10 multiplied by 11, 100 plus 50 plus 4 divided by 4. 110. 100 plus 50, that is 150 plus 4, 154 divided by 4. 154 multiplied by 110, that is 16940 divided by 4, that is 4235. 4235. This is your answer. Next example, example number 5. Sigma I is equal to 31, n is equal to 50. Here I is equal to 31, n is equal to 50. Sigma I square. So sigma I square, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. First of all, we have to find out I is equal to 1 to n is equal to 50. એમાંથી માઇનસ કરશું. I is equal to 1 to n is equal to 30. સૌથી પહેલા આપણે મૂકશું n is equal to 50, પછી મૂકશું n is equal to 30. Put n is equal to 50. n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. 50 plus 1, 2 multiplied by 50 plus 1 by 6. So 51, 2 multiplied by 50, that is 100 plus 1 divided by 6. 51, 101 divided by 6. So 50 multiplied by 51 multiplied by 101 divided by 6. 42925. 42925. Put n is equal to 30. 30 plus 1, 2 multiplied by 30 plus 1 divided by 6. 30, 31, 60 plus 1 by 6. 5. 31, 61. 5, 31, 61, 9455. So I is equal to 1 to n is equal to 50 is equal to 42925. 42925 minus I is equal to 1 to I is equal to 30. 9455. So I is equal to 31 to n is equal to 50 remaining. minus 42925 minus 9455 33470. This is your answer. Now last of this chapter, example number 6. If 10 lesser than n lesser than or equal to 20, Tn is equal to n square plus 4, find Sn. સૌથી પહેલા તો Tn આપેલા છે n square plus 4, એના ઉપરથી Sn ફાઇન્ડ કરવું હોય તો સિગ્મા Tn. Sn is equal to sigma Tn. So sigma Tn is equal to n square plus 4. Sigma અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે, sigma n square plus 4n. This is our Sn. So sigma n square n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 4n. n ब्रेकेट मल्टीप्लाई करशू एमने राखिए n plus 1 2n plus 1 6 LCM लेशू 6 multiplied by 2 6 multiplied by 4 24n divided by 6. This is our Sn. Now we have to find between 10 to 20. એની અંદર 20 કન્સિડર થશે, 10 કન્સિડર થશે નહીં. એટલે ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ મારે શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવું પડે? 1 થી લઈ અને 20 સુધી. એમાંથી હું માઇનસ કરીશ 1 થી લઈ અને 10 સુધી. એટલે રિમેનિંગ હશે 11 થી 20. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ પુટ n is equal to 20. Put n is equal to 20. S20 20 plus 1 2 multiplied by 20 plus 1 24 multiplied by 20 divided by 6. So 20 21 2 multiplied by 20, that is 40 40 plus 1 41 24 multiplied by 20 480 divided by 6. 20 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 41 17220 plus 480 divided by 6. 17220 plus 480, that is 177600. 17700 divided by 6, that is 2950. This is S20. Now find S10, that is put n is equal to 10. N, that is 10 10 plus 1 10 plus 1 2 multiplied by 10 plus 1 plus 24 multiplied by 10 divided by 6. So 10 11 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20 plus 1 21 plus 2 24 multiplied by 10 240 divided by 6. 10 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 21 2310 plus 240 divided by 6. 2550 divided by 6 425. This is S10. Now 10 less than n less than or equal to 20 is equal to S20 minus S10. S20 2950 minus 425. So 2950 minus 425, 2525. This is your answer. Here our chapter and syllabus is completed. Thank you.